Hi everyone, my name is Isowa for Isowa Gallery and welcome to my YouTube channel. I post videos relating to photography, travel, lifestyle and more. When you get a chance, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you can like this video, comment below and share. Hey, do you remember the Disney packing video that I uploaded or posted some time ago when I was packing for Disney? And in that video, somewhere on the screen or the link in the description box below, in that video, I also gave you guys a free checklist in order to pack for Disney. So this video is going to be about how I created that checklist. So normally I use a lot of apps. I mean, for example, on my phone, I have Adobe Spark app and I search checklists and you can see how like really short they look. I mean, even packing for Disney or travel or doing one thing or the other or a to-do list, I can't do like 5 bullet point type thingies. So I decided to create something. I decided to research and check and I was like, how am I going to do this? It's very possible that a lot of people know already, but I just decided to create a video just in case somebody needs a checklist or a list that is longer than what's on an app. I mean, you can check on Canva, Adobe, different things, and you can see something like this, but I just decided to research further and created the long checklist. This is the first page of, this is the first page of checklist, and you can see how it's a lot here with where you can mark the bullet points of what you've done or what you remembered and all that stuff. So that's what this video is. So I'm going to show you step by step on how I created the checklist. I'm going to start from how I put it together and then converted it to PDF. So the first thing I did was to use a Word document. I use a PC. I know some people use Mac, so you can just probably get the Word version in Mac. And in the Word document, so this is a Word document for the Disney packing list. In the Word documents, I just click on File, File, New, and just search for checklist. I never really used these templates, but apparently there's so many good templates here. And I got attracted to this one and I decided to just click create, and this is how it looks. You see that there are bullet points here, so that's the reason why I like this one. So, and in this particular one, you see that there are some icons here, so I just deleted them and decided to create my icon. So let's go to where I create my icon. I use Adobe Spark, and in Adobe Spark, so Adobe Spark, you can use it on your computer or you can use the app. I have like an Adobe Creative Cloud type thingy, so I use that, and I decided to just use it on my computer. So in Adobe Spark, you can also use Canva, Designer, other different apps. In Adobe Spark, I decided to just create a blank, just start with a blank space, a blank page, add icon, and in here you search Disney, enter, and you can see like all the different icons here. So if you click on one of them, you see like the Magic Castle or whatever it is that you want to do. You can change the color to like any color and then resize the way you want it and all that stuff. So in this case, I did it for these icons, and then I decided to download it after like arranging it or structuring it. Download it as a PNG, and the option was to either download it as solid color or transparent, and I did transparent, and it's downloaded here. So going back to this, I decided to change this header. You can see here that there are different kinds of headings here. I didn't want this color, so I decided to make it plain and also copy and paste special so that it's free for me to do whatever. Then I highlight that and put in Waltograph font. I'll talk about the fonts later, but I get like the font here, center it, and then change it to Disney packing list. So let's keep going. Here we can also change the color, change anything to any font you want to change it to, but In this case, I did this, and then I changed this font to ink free, just to kind of like mimic or look exactly like this. I mean, let me enlarge this a little bit. So here I delete this. Now we're trying to insert that the icon image that we got from Adobe Spark. So we just click on insert pictures from this device, and we check on our downloads. This is what we downloaded, and it's here, right? And then after that, we just click crop. We crop up the picture like that. Yep. And then there's an icon here that has layout options. In this case, I am clicking on this, where if you move this, it won't affect the text, right? And you can make this a little smaller. You can also center it, like move it around, stuff like that. Okay, so we've done this. And then another thing that I did in the main packing list was I also copied and pasted it just to make it look pretty and put it on the sides, right? Copy, paste, okay. And you can see it's not affecting any of that. And then I just move it around like this and put it here. Easy, really. It's just basically structuring it to look the way you want it to look, like any other digital product. So that's what you do. And then another thing, I don't know if you noticed that my logo is here in the header, and I put it in the footer, and then I put page numbers. It's pretty easy as well. So you can just double click, and the same way I created those icons, the same way I created the logo. So you can easily just insert picture, whatever it is you want to do. But in this case, I'll just copy from here, since I have the logo here, double click, come back here, double click and paste, move this to the center and double click, and you see my logo is here already. And then in my footer, you could put in the page number, and you can make it smaller, you can change the font, whatever you want to do. You can move where it's supposed to be, double click, and that's it. You can also do a footer and insert that logo. Now that we've created the checklist, obviously it's going to look pretty and everything. You've gotten everything sorted and all. Then next thing you do is file and save as. Let's see, save as PDF. It's saving, it just loads it in, and you get it. It's pretty simple. So yeah, and then, oh, before I forget, let's talk about the font. So for the fonts, all I did was just go to Google and Google Disney fonts. I clicked on one of the links, and this one in particular is fontspace.com/categories/Disney. And you can see that there's so very different types of Disney fonts. So I just saw this, downloaded it, and put it on my computer. Depending on, how your computer is structured, Mac, PC, but you just download it, and then one way or the other, it gets into your Word document. Please note that this particular packing list, the PDF version, is also in this video. I just want you to download that for free, just in case you didn't watch the other video. But you can also watch the other video, because that's more detailed with all that I packed, and you can just get the free packing list as well. I hope this video helped you to know how to create a checklist, simple checklist for whatever project that you want to do, not just travel. I have a feeling some people already know this, but as long as one person gets to know how to do this, I'm fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, when you get a chance, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share, because anybody could say something to you, like, oh, I want to create a checklist, and then you remember, oh, Isowa Gallery uploaded a video or posted a video about how to create a checklist. Thank you so much, and remember to let your cup run it over. Bye.